Hello everyone, Yaslin here and welcome back to Alan's channel.
Hello guys, this is Jessica here today shooting for OhYas Swim with Alain.
New OhYas Swim collection Larimar campaign shoot. Let's get it going. And make sure to follow me on all my socials, Yaslin XOXO. Mwah.
You can follow me and Jessica Colasoas on Instagram.
So guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take you behind the scenes with me on the OhYas Swimwear campaign shoot. And I just want to talk to you guys about a couple of things to look for and to do while you're doing a campaign shoot. I won't be too wordy today, and I put the side by side of the video of me filming and what the camera is seeing, just so you guys can see, do a little something different. So one of the most important things when you're filming a campaign or doing photography for a campaign shoot is the details. You're there to capture the details, so you don't make sure you capture those in your shots. A lot of brands pride themselves on the fabrics that they use and the cuts of the bikinis, so you really want to make sure that emphasize. So you want to make sure you get the shots that showcase the bikini on the models, so that the brands can sell their products, which is the most important part of a campaign shoot. Another thing I would suggest to do beforehand is either get together with a brand manager or whoever you're working with from the brand and get a shot list. Get exactly what you need to get what they want, and that way you can prioritize what's most important, get those done, and then you can do more creative shots after the fact and put your own spin on some of it. But make sure and get exactly what the brand wants, because that's why you got hired in the first place.
Do that with the hair one more time. Perfect. And then at the camera. Got it. Perfect. Shots. Yes, perfect. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Perfect, nice, playful. And then I'm gonna try some right here. 3, 2, and then I'm gonna come in for some detail shots. Perfect. I'm gonna get even closer. Now you can just play around with the bikini strings. 3, 2, 1. Yep, perfect.
Maybe we should get up.
Not yet, hold on. I didn't get the video started. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Yeah, get the phone, get the phone. Jessica,
You guys want to do one looking up over here? Yes, perfect. Keep moving. Looks amazing. Perfect. And then at the camera. Keep moving, keep moving. Alright. And then look up right here. And then do that, and then lean back. So do that right there, and then lean back, okay? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then look at the camera. And then I'm gonna bring it down, and then I want you to keep looking at it, okay? And then you can like move around the water, yes. Perfect, coming down. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Start off up top, and then you can move, and then put your hand over there. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And then look right here. take like 2 steps to me. Ready? And go. 1, 2. Let's try it one more time. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. Perfect right there. And then stay. Then I'm gonna get some detail. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Do that one more time, the same spin. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. That was good. Same thing, as if this is your phone. Perfect. And then the string. And then I'm gonna go right here in the tree. Yeah, perfect. And then look right here. Got it.
And if you made it this far, I thank you, appreciate you. You guys are real ones. We are slowly climbing up that ladder to 100,000 subscribers, and I think we can get there by December. By end of December, I think we got 100,000. So I just want to continue to thank you guys for the support and catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Also, let me know if there's any questions you guys have, because I'll be glad to answer. Peace.